automatic clock one off there. Now she's cooperating. Bada bing, bada boom. And they change back and forth a couple of times on you. It takes the screws. Hopefully this one here won't strip out on me. And it's going to. So we've got to go to our scrap pile. And we have a scrap pile. There we go. Now, set this motor, and all of this stuff here should just start falling right back into place. If the good Lord is on your side. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do, since that fell together pretty smart, I'm going to take one of these screws here. Wrong screw. Take one of these screws and I'm going to put it in here to hold all this good stuff together. Might as well put in a second one while we're talking about it. Okay, get this thing out of our way. Get back here on the vertical wall. There we go. Now, it is vital to get these wires back where they go. There is little channels in which they came from, and they need to go right back where they came from. So, I was telling you about putting a little bit of that training oil on here. And it looks like I am out completely 100%. Meaning, we've got to find something else. This right here will work fine because that is a tacky oil that's actually K&N oil filter oil. Put that guy right back there. Put that right there. Okay, that's all back to one piece. Now we can flip this guy over. Get a long kind of screw. We just need one. That's all it will take. I want to come down here right in the middle and do that. Now that'll all hold together as she is supposed to. I'm going to lay this O-ring gasket back where she belongs as well. Let me see here. This needs to go in first. There's that. There's that. The problem is when these things come out, they do not like going back in together the way they were originally. They may give you a little bit of a hard time. There we go. Take it that way. And find out where the slack comes from. Now, if it has swollen to the point to where it will not go back in, I will show you a cool little trick. You take and you cut that little seal just like that, just like that, and you want to do it back here on the back side. Now, I've got this thing that's filthy, so we want to get the gist of the junk off of it, and we want to go $1.25 bottle awesome on it. Oh man, this was bad shape. Bad shape. I already lost my helper. So I've got to go. I'll be back. Okay. Now that we've got all that cleaned, we're going to slide this booger right back in place. Make sure that I don't have anything missing, wrong, out of place, and or, which is always possible. Pop, pop, pop. It goes back into spot. Lock. Lock and lock. Okay, that thing is all good as we can see it. Now, I'll be back. I got to go blow this thing out. Okay, now we're going to put this in first. Put this in first. per second, I mean. Paradise breeze, baby. There's another reason why this machine be running hot, because this filter is plumb filthy and needs to be replaced. I'm going to clean it out though. This is how awesome is. When you blow on the back side and see it starts to host that dirt out of there. This filter does need to be replaced though. Pretty crazy, huh? I want you to hear this noise when I'm plug this thing up, and you can tell when your machine's plugged up, that's the noise it's going to make. Okay, got the last bit of moisture out of it. After all that work cleaning, it comes right back in there and gets everything dirty again, but you know, it's just part of it. Part of it. Cannot clean these things without wah-wah. Okay, and that's how you fix a shark vacuum that's making a weird noise. After this happens, just let this thing run for about 20 minutes and let it just suck all that moisture out, and then open it up and let it sit overnight before you start vacuuming with it, and you'll be good to go. But like I said, you're gonna have to use water to really get the thing clean. And the water hose thing will save you a lot of headache, and it's a great trick, a fantastic trick. So I hope that helps. Let me flip this thing over and put the last few screws in it, and it'll be done to call the customer. Y'all be good.